Njengoba ngomsombuluko leli qembu lizobe liqeda iminyaka engu-112 laba khona, kulindeleke ukuthi libe nomgubho omkhulu mhla zingu-13 kwephezulu eMbombela Stadium. Namhlanje isigungu esiphezulu saleli qembu sibe nomhlangano wokubhunga ngezinto abazozethula ebantwini bakulelizwe njengoba imikhankaso yokunqenqa amavoti kulindeleke ukuba iqale emaduze.
We are also on the agenda of the NEC looking at our performance in the year 2023, both organizationally as well as our work in the state. So those are the main items, the third one being our framework to take us to the election.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthe imigubho yokuzalwa yaleli qembu izoqala ngomsombuluko ngenkonzo yokuhlonipha amaqhawe aleli qembu adabuka kulesi sifundazwe.
We are commencing the week with a wreath-laying ceremony at the burial sites of our departed liberation movement pioneers on Monday.
Leli qembu lizimisele ukuqeda nya ngohlelo lokucisha konga ugesi futhi lokho alikusho ngoba lizama ukunqenqa amavoti.
And we know that load shedding is being used and is going to be used in the campaign against the ANC government. And in this particular instance, it is against that background that it is in our interest, not only for an election, but for South Africa as a whole.
Leli qembu lithi akusikho okokuqala abantu behlubuka eqenjini. Lokhu ke kuza emva kwesimemezelo esenziwa ngowayengumengameli wakuleli uJacob Zuma sokuthi angeke avotele leli qembu okhethweni.
This thing is not new. When people were disgruntled, were not happy about President Zuma, they went to form Konke. When people don't agree with President Ramaphosa, they form MK.
i-ANC ithi ayikushaya Indiva konke okushiwo nokwenziwa yilo wayengumengameli wakuleli. Ithi okumqoka kuyo njengamanje ukulungiselela ukuya okhethweni kanye nokulwa nezingqinamba ezikhungethe abantu bakulelizwe.